study ratcheting. What ratcheting is backpedaling briefly to get your timing right in order to maximize one's pedal clearance. In slow technical situations, it sometimes helps with one's ability to not have to pedal in a full revolution, so a quick back and forth pedal stroke is in order. To keep your balance and momentum. The other benefit to ratcheting is one will sometimes run out of power due to where your pedals are on the power stroke, usually on a technical climb. A quick partial revolution back pedal will put you back in the power.